I hope you will be fine. Okay, today we will download an app called Canva. So first of all, we will write in the App Store Canva. You see, I have already downloaded it. So just open it. That's an app. It is used for logos, to make logos and Facebook posts, brochures, and many other things. So it's opening. You can see it's open. Okay, you can see you can make an Instagram post, Facebook posts. For your YouTube channel you can make headers, brochures, visiting card, anything. You can see there are a lot of templates here. For that, let me select this one. How did you know? It looks beautiful and elegant. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so here we can edit according to our need. Okay, let us edit it. How did you know? Okay, how to make Facebook post. Okay, you can see there are a lot of options. You can change according to your need. You can change colors, you can change the arrangement, sizes, and everything. Okay, how to make Facebook post? It's simple. You can also make sizes according to your need, and there are a lot of templates. You guys can choose any template which one you like, and it's very interesting app. I will recommend that you should also install this app and tell me how it goes. What kind of experience do you feel? Okay, you can, let's save this file. So we will select, and one more thing, you can also use many transitions, like it's repeating, it's appearing from top to bottom. It's very good. Okay, now let's save this and export this file. So it's preparing, I think so it's downloading. Yeah, it's downloading the design. About to be done. Okay, this is done. So here you can see there are a lot of options, like save as image, save as, and you can directly post to your application like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and there to your clipboard. So that's enough for today. Thank you guys, hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye.